English at the mall.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Bo English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and real. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone who is listening today.
Tom, how are you feeling?
I'm great. I had breakfast, I had my tea, and I feel ready for a fun English chat.
Good, because today we are going on a little English adventure.
Oh, where are we going?
We are going to the shopping mall.
Ah, the mall. A big building with shops, food, music, and many people.
Yes, I love the mall. It's one of my favorite places to relax.
Same here. The mall is very comfortable. It's cool in the summer and warm in the winter.
Do you usually go to the mall alone or with someone?
Usually with a friend. When I go alone, I walk slowly and look at everything. But when I go with friends, we talk and laugh a lot.
That sounds nice. I often go with my sister. She loves shopping.
Does she buy a lot of things?
Yes, she buys things she doesn't need. But she says shopping is good exercise.
I agree. You walk a lot. Sometimes I walk 5,000 or 6,000 steps at the mall without even knowing.
Yes, the mall is like a gym, but with food.
And with better smells.
Okay, Tom, imagine this. It's Saturday morning. We arrive at a big shopping mall.
The parking lot is almost full.
Yes, but we find one empty spot.
Good. We park the car, we get out.
And the first thing we see is the big glass doors.
The automatic doors. They open by themselves.
I love automatic doors. They make me feel important.
Yes, like the mall is saying, "Welcome, Tom, come in."
When we enter the mall, we hear music.
Soft, happy music.
We also see big signs: sales, discount, new arrival.
Those signs are very dangerous.
Why?
Because when I see sale, my brain says, buy something.
Same for me, even when I don't need anything.
The mall is big. On the first floor, we see clothing stores, a coffee shop, a perfume shop, and a bag shop.
And on the second floor, we see toy stores, a bookstore, and a shoe store.
On the third floor, there is a food court and a cinema.
Today, we will explore everything step by step. Let's go into the first store, a clothing store.
Oh, look! There are many mannequins wearing beautiful outfits.
I like that yellow dress.
Yes, it looks nice. Do you want to try it on?
Maybe later. For now, let's look around.
I like clothes, but I don't like choosing them.
Why not?
Too many colors, too many styles.
So you feel confused?
Yes, I always need help from the store workers.
They are usually very friendly.
Yes, and they always say, "This looks great on you," even before I try it on.
They are very positive. Look at these shirts.
They have many styles: long sleeve, short sleeve, polo shirts.
And many colors too.
I like simple colors: black, white, blue.
I like bright colors: yellow, pink, green.
Here are the sizes: S, M, L, XL.
I think you are M.
Yes, I'm usually medium. You?
I'm small or medium, depending on the brand.
Anna, do you want to try that green top?
Okay, maybe. Let me take it.
The fitting rooms are on the right.
Thank you. I'll be quick.
Take your time.
Anna, look. How does it look?
It looks very nice. The color is perfect for you.
Really?
Yes. Do you like it?
I think so. It feels comfortable. It's soft.
Then buy it.
Maybe I will. I want to buy this green top.
Okay, let's go to the cashier.
The cashier smiles and says, "Hello, did you find everything okay?"
And you say, "Yes, thank you."
The top is $18.
Not bad.
I pay with my card.
The cashier gives you a receipt.
Yes, a very important paper.
And they put the top in a small shopping bag.
Tom, after shopping, I need coffee.
Yes, I need tea too. Let's go to the coffee shop next to the clothing store.
I love the smell of coffee.
I love the smell of tea.
Look at the menu.
Latte, cappuccino, Americano, green tea, black tea, smoothies.
I'll order a black tea.
I'll order an iced latte. Cold coffee?
Yes, I love iced drinks.
Anna, do you drink coffee every day?
Almost. I drink 1 cup every morning.
Doesn't it make you energetic?
Yes, it wakes me up.
Tea also wakes me up, but more gently.
That fits your personality.
What do you mean?
You are gentle like tea.
And you are strong like coffee.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Anna, do you shop a lot?
Not really. I buy things only when I need them.
Really? I thought you loved shopping.
I love looking, not always buying.
That's healthy.
What about you, Tom?
I buy quickly. If I like something, I buy it.
That is not healthy.
I know.
I love the background music in the mall.
Me too. It makes the place feel alive.
Sometimes the music is too loud, though.
True, especially near the perfume shop.
Yes, why is the music always loud there?
Maybe the perfume wants attention.
The perfume is shouting, "Buy me."
There are some seats here. Let's sit before we walk again.
Good idea. My feet need a little rest.
A little. We only walked for 20 minutes.
I walk with passion.
Okay, coffee lady.
Okay, Tom, coffee break is finished. Where should we go next?
Maybe the shoe store? I need new shoes.
Yes, let's go. I love shoes.
Wow, look at this shoe store. It's huge.
Yes, they have shoes for men, women, and children.
And for sports too. Running shoes, tennis shoes, basketball shoes.
And many different brands.
Anna, look at these sneakers.
They're nice. Try them on.
Okay, I take size 42.
Tom, try something.
They feel comfortable.
Walk a little.
Yes, they are light, very good for walking at the mall.
Perfect for today's adventure.
Should I buy them?
If you like them, yes.
But the color, I'm not sure.
What's wrong with the color?
They are green.
Green is beautiful.
I usually wear blue or black.
It's time to try something new.
Okay, I like the green.
Great, let's buy them.
Cashier, hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Cashier, these sneakers are $45 today.
Nice price. I'll pay with my card.
Here is your receipt and your bag.
Thank you. You keep the receipt, Tom.
Yes, I learned that from you.
Ready for the next stop?
Yes, let's go to the bookstore.
The bookstore is one of my favorite places in the mall.
Mine too. It's always quiet.
And it smells nice.
Yes, the smell of new books is wonderful.
I love it.
Look, Anna, they have English books for learners.
Yes, levels A1, A2, B1, perfect for practice.
And there are storybooks too.
And travel books. And cookbooks.
And a whole wall of magazines.
I want a new book to read at night.
What kind of book do you like?
Something light and easy. Maybe a romance story.
Romance?
Yes, love stories are fun.
I prefer mysteries.
Because you like to think.
True.
Oh, look, Tom. This book has big letters and easy vocabulary.
Perfect for A2 learners.
Should I buy it?
Do you like the story?
The title is Love in the City.
Then yes, you should buy it.
I also found a book, The Missing Diamond.
Sounds exciting.
It's about a detective who tries to find a diamond in a big museum.
That sounds perfect for you.
Anna, let's pay for our books.
Yes, before we buy half the bookstore.
Cashier, hello, do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
These 2 books, please.
Cashier, $25 in total.
Here you go. The cashier gives us a big paper bag with our books inside.
I love bookstore bags. They always look pretty.
Tom, I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Let's go to the food court.
Wow, so many people here.
Yes, it's lunchtime.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know. So many choices.
Look at the options. Pizza, hamburgers, chicken, noodles, rice bowls, sandwiches, bubble tea, ice cream.
Everything looks delicious.
I think I want noodles.
And I want chicken. I'll go to the noodle shop. I'll order chicken over there.
Let's meet at the table.
Okay.
Hello, 1 bowl of chicken noodles, please.
Worker, spicy or not spicy?
A little spicy, please.
Anything to drink?
Iced tea, please.
Okay, $8.
Hello, can I have the chicken meal with fries?
Drink? Water, please.
Water, please.
$10.
Here I am.
Great, I see you.
Your chicken looks good.
Your noodles look amazing.
Let's try our food.
Delicious.
Yes, good choice.
Anna, what do you usually eat at the mall?
I usually choose noodles or rice bowls. What about you?
I always choose chicken.
Always?
Yes, chicken never disappoints me.
You are a loyal chicken fan.
Yes, I am.
After eating, maybe we can get bubble tea.
Bubble tea with the little black pearls?
Yes, they are called boba.
I tried it once.
And?
And I was confused. I didn't know if I should chew it or swallow it.
Both.
It surprised me.
You need to try it again.
Maybe today. The ice cream shop looks good too.
Yes, I love ice cream.
What flavor do you like?
Chocolate. Always chocolate.
I like vanilla.
Vanilla is too simple for me.
And chocolate is too strong for me.
That is why we are good friends. We balance each other.
True.
Anna, look, Tom. The mall has a supermarket.
Oh yes, let's go inside.
The supermarket has everything. Fruits, vegetables, snacks, drinks, cleaning products, toys, home items, stationery.
I want to buy some snacks for later.
Me too. Let's look at the snack aisle.
Wow, so many chips.
And so many cookies.
Look, Anna, your favorite, chocolate cookies.
Yes, I'm taking 1 pack.
And I'm taking these salty chips.
The candy section looks colorful.
Yes, it's like a rainbow.
I want 1 small bag of gummy bears.
And I want some mint candies. They make my breath fresh.
Good idea.
Okay, we have snacks. Ready to pay?
Yes, let's go to the cashier.
Hello, do you need a bag?
Yes, 1 bag, please.
That will be $9. Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day. You too.
Anna, my feet are getting tired again.
It's okay. Let's sit on that bench for a moment.
Good idea.
The mall is really big.
Yes, we've walked a lot already.
But we still haven't gone to the cinema or the toy store.
True, and the arcade.
Oh yes, the arcade.
Maybe we can go there later.
Sure.
We already have many bags.
Yes, clothes, books, snacks.
We look like professional shoppers.
Maybe we need a shopping cart.
A shopping cart in the mall?
Why not?
People will think we are moving houses.
Did you see the man with 5 balloons earlier?
Yes, he looked very happy.
Maybe it's his birthday.
Or maybe he just likes balloons.
I like people who enjoy simple things.
Me too.
Okay, Tom, we rested enough. Are you ready to walk again?
Yes, let's continue our mall adventure.
Where do you want to go next?
The cinema?
Great! Watching a movie at the mall is always fun.
Here we are, the cinema. It looks big.
Yes, and look at the posters.
There's an action movie, a comedy, a cartoon movie, and a romantic movie.
What kind of movie do you want to watch?
A comedy, something funny and light.
Perfect! I also want a comedy. I'm too tired for a serious movie.
Good, let's check the showtimes.
The next comedy movie starts in 40 minutes.
That's good, we have time to buy tickets and snacks.
Yes, let's go to the ticket counter.
Should we buy popcorn?
Of course, a movie without popcorn is not a real movie.
True. What size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Large, we will share.
Good idea. And 2 drinks?
Yes, I'll get a lemonade.
And I'll get an iced tea.
I like this waiting area.
Yes, the chairs are soft.
And the posters are funny.
Look at that one, the cat wearing sunglasses.
I want to watch that movie.
Me too.
Okay, the movie is starting.
Lights off, popcorn ready.
Shh, quiet.
Sorry, I get excited.
90 minutes later.
That was so funny.
Yes, I laughed so much my stomach hurts.
I almost cried laughing when the main character fell into the fountain.
And the dance scene?
Oh yes, the dance scene was so silly.
I needed that. A good comedy is the best therapy.
I agree.
Tom, do you want to go to the arcade before we leave the mall?
Yes, I love arcade games.
Me too. Let's go.
There are so many lights.
And so many sounds.
It feels like a small carnival inside the mall.
Look at the games. Racing games, basketball shooting, dancing game, claw machine.
I want to try the dancing game.
Okay, I want to try the claw machine.
Tom, watch me.
Okay, show me your moves. Oh no, I missed the left step.
Try again.
I'm trying. This is harder than it looks.
You're doing great.
Thanks, but I think I will stick to normal dancing.
Okay, it's my turn. I want that small brown bear.
Good luck.
Tom, move the claw.
I hope I get it.
Almost.
Yes.
Yes.
And?
And no!
No, it dropped.
That was close.
I was so close.
Try again.
Okay, one more time.
Here we go.
The claw is moving.
Yes.
You got it.
You got it.
I got it.
Congratulations, Tom. You won a tiny bear.
I feel like a champion.
That bear looks very happy.
Anna, I think I lost something.
What?
My sunglasses.
Oh no. When did you last see them?
I think I had them in the bookstore.
Okay, let's retrace your steps.
First, we check the bookstore.
Right.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I lost my sunglasses. Did anyone bring them here?
Sorry, I didn't see any sunglasses, but you can check Lost and Found. Good idea. Hello, how can I help you?
I lost my sunglasses.
What do they look like?
Black frame, simple design. Let me see.
Oh, let me look into a drawer.
Are these yours?
Yes, these are mine.
That was fast.
Someone found them in the hallway.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Tom, you are lucky today.
Yes, I found my sunglasses and I won a bear.
It's a good mall day.
Before we go home, can we visit the gift store?
Sure, what do you want to get?
A small gift for my sister.
A birthday gift?
No, just a surprise gift.
That's sweet.
Look at these mugs.
They have funny messages.
I need coffee to function.
That one is made for you.
Maybe I'll buy it.
Look at these candles.
They smell wonderful.
Vanilla, lavender, ocean breeze.
I think my sister will like the lavender one.
Then buy it.
I will.
Cashier, hello, did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
The candle and the mug, $14 total.
Here you go. Thank you. Have a lovely day. You too.
Anna, look at how many bags we have.
Clothes, books, snacks, gifts.
And a small bear.
Don't forget your sunglasses.
True.
Wow, it's evening already.
Time passes quickly at the mall.
Yes, we spent almost the whole day here.
But it was so much fun.
I agree.
My feet are tired.
Mine too. We walked a lot today.
But it was good exercise.
Yes, and we practiced a lot of real English vocabulary.
Clothes, shoes, food court, supermarket, cinema.
And useful phrases like, excuse me, where is?
And how much is this?
And I'll take it, please.
Anna, thank you for this fun day.
Thank you too, Tom. You made the mall more fun.
I think our listeners enjoyed the trip with us.
Yes, it felt like a real day at the mall.
I hope they learned some new English words.
And I hope they laughed a little too.
I did.
Me too. Okay, Tom, thank you everyone for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this long mall adventure, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel.
And tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite thing to do at the mall?
Or what food do you always eat at the food court?
We love reading your comments.
We will see you again very soon.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.